When you create your database, you will specify whether your organisation is VAT registered or not. If so, then you will need to enter your VAT period start date and the rates. The system will automatically create new VAT periods on the assumption that they are 3 monthly. If this is not the case, then you can set up the period start dates manually via the VAT periods program. Here you would set the period start date and also give it a name. Also, you can reset the VAT rates whenever they change. Here is VAT rate 1, which is set to 20%. There are 8 rates that are held by the system. Rate 1 is the standard rate. Rate 7 is fixed as outside the scope of VAT. Rate 8 is fixed as exempt. And rates 2 to 6 can be set to any rate that you may wish to use. Within the bookings programs, the method of accounting for VAT is always the same. Here is an example of an expenditure booking where full refund of VAT can be claimed. The first line entry shows a goods value of £100 with VAT being computed at the standard rate. The second line is for postage, so the rate 3 is being entered, which is 0 rated. This screen shows how the system will book the transaction. Note that there is an override entry for each rate that can be used where the actual VAT value to be booked differs from the computed value for the goods values and rates given. This will usually happen where either there is a need to book partial VAT values or where the VAT values and rates on the received invoice are not fully detailed. VAT status can be reported at any time. Here is an example of a VAT report showing the goods and VAT totals for each rate for inputs, outputs, for home and EC. At the foot of the report are shown the values that need to be entered for each of the boxes on your VAT return. Finally, the closed VAT period program will output the VAT report for the period being closed and also set a lock so that the VAT cannot be booked into that period. If a VAT transaction is booked back to a closed VAT period where the accounting period is still open, then the booking can continue with the VATs incurred being recorded in the next open VAT period. There is also a VAT transactions list program that will list all transactions included for each VAT rate in the given VAT return. This completes this presentation. Thank you for watching.